We are going to chapter 4 of Bhagavad Gita. The first sloka in chapter 4 we are going to discuss is the seventh sloka. The seventh sloka in chapter 4 Bhagavad Gita reads Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तथात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तथात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् यदा यदा हि whenever or wherever dharmasya glanir glanihi decline, or people are not following the just path, you can understand like that. Dharmaha, the righteous path. So glanir dharmasya, whenever the system of following the noble path is violated, like that you can understand. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati means it occurs. Bharata, O Arjuna, abhyuttanam at the same time people are encouraged into doing less noble activities. They are encouraged to deviate from the normally accepted norms. You can understand. Abhyuttanam. There is an increase, there is an augmentation of or encouraging people into doing less noble things. Tadatmanam srajabhyaham. Tada, that time. So whenever and wherever there is a decline in righteous practices, and when there is an increase in less noble or unfair activities, that is when tada, that time atmanam srajamyaham, I manifest myself. Atmanam, on my own, I appear and do whatever that is required to be done. Please examine this sloka from the present day perspective. So you can understand dharma. Dharma is a system that is to be followed for the common good. Like that you understand. So whenever there is a decline in the adherence to the system that is aimed at public good, you can understand this as dharmasya glanihi. Similarly, abhyuttanam adharmasya, when people are encouraged or more people follow the system that is not in compliance with the normally accepted righteous behavior, that time I am appearing and like that. So this sloka talks not about people. This sloka talks about system and system adherence and non-adherence. So this Krishna, Lord Krishna says, I am going to be there to put the systems in order. Now you understand, this can be the modern way of thinking into this sloka. So here there are no people, here only system adherence and non-adherence. And srajami means normally manifest, it is originally written, but if you look into it, it can be understood as I will put all them in order. Like that you can understand. One more thing you should start observing from this chapter, that Krishna is presenting himself, which is true also, as the supreme consciousness, as the ultimate reality or the greatest divinity. So that Krishna is, that he is telling to Arjuna, so that what all he is going to say have a better impact on him, and he will be following what all he says. That also you can understand. This could be a management strategy to push your how potential you are, to make people follow what you say. This can also be understood that way. So I'm reading the sloka again. I think you got a grip of the sloka full. I'm reading the sloka. Yada yada hi dharmasya ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Thank you. Hare Krishna.